Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket pretzel. Obviously you need to know how to do a basket already and a pretzel already. Links in the description below, and this is a more advanced version of joining the two of them together. Looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Now it's quite common to get to a basket from a pretzel. It's not very common to do it the other way around. So let's show you how that works. We go semicircle back, 2 hands. In fact, the technique for the join is very similar to the technique for a double pretzel. Wrap into a basket as usual, twist out as usual. This is where it changes. We're going to send the lady forwards, lifting the left hand up. As the lady rolls away, the guys turn to the left, letting that left hand go long, right hand rolls up behind the back, and actually you're now in the position where you'd start a pretzel from. So we go left over the lady, right over the lady, normal pretzel, right over the guy, return the lady, and you're done. So let's talk numbers. We go back 1, wrap 2, twist out 3, send the lady 4, lifting the hand, guys starting to turn, all the way round and stretch to get into a good position on 5, and then it goes left over the lady 6, right over the lady 7, right over the guy 8, left over the lady 1, and back 2. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket pretzel. It's offer. Wrap, back, lift, prep, left over the lady, right over the lady, right over the guy, return the lady, and you're done. And that's it. Take a little bit of practice so you make sure that you always remember to turn the correct way, but that is the basket pretzel. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end turns up in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, we will see you next time, and thank you for watching.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.